Today we are making red lentil in Arabic style. So for this we took all this ingredient. You see this in this video. You will find how we will make. So for this we took already red lentil. So we already soak. So till 1 hour, before 1 hour you have to soak. Oil, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, black pepper, garam masala, this cumin seeds, and this cloves and black pepper whole, and green chili, ginger garlic paste. We will make paste for this, and tomato and also onion. So all these ingredients we use to make our dal. So first we have to boil this dal, so I will show you. Then we will put this, give like wet masala for our lentil. So please see this video, so you will find how we will make dal in Arabic style at your home. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe also and share to your friend also. You will find all this information in this channel. So let's start. So I put water in one pan and also heat on this pan. So I will put now all item here. Okay. To first we will boil our dal. Put here little green chili, oil, this all this cloves and green chili to boil this our dal. Also salt also I will put. So till maybe half hour you have to cook this. Cover this, and you can cook till half hour. Okay. On medium flame. Okay. So when this will be ready, I will show you. So till we will prepare our gravy item like tadka. We give tadka to dal, so we will cut all these items and we will give I will show you. So we make masala for our dal. I already put this our fry pan to make our masala for dal. So I already put on the this flame. So we will beat, and I am cutting now onion and this all spices. So we will make. I will show you. Oil already heated, so now I am putting this cumin seed and also this cloves, cumin seed and this like our cloves also. So now I am adding this our onion. Okay. And have to mix well like this. And now I am adding this green chili whole like this. You can put like this whole green chili and mix well. And I already make ginger garlic paste, so now I am adding this also. So now I already ginger garlic paste here. Okay. Now we will add this spices here. Okay. So now I am adding all the spices also here. Okay. And have to mix well and ready to put in our dal. Okay. So now I add this tomato, and little this our spices, and now we have to cook again here. Okay. Finished. Now I check our lentil also. Maybe our lentil also already cooked. So maybe this mashed already. So check, it's ready. So now we will put our this masala we make. So we will put here. Okay, and then we'll cook till 15 minutes more here, and garnish with green coriander. Okay. So now I am adding our this masala here. Okay, and this have to cook till maybe 15 minutes. Okay. I already covered this and I have to cook till 15 minutes, more 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I check our lentil. So this is already ready. So now we will add green coriander on it, and this is already ready. Okay, so have to serve with rice or paratha or whatever you can serve. So now I am adding this green coriander. So this will be taste more will be tasty, and this will be taste good. So this will be little bit, this will be like thick. Okay, so if thick, so this will be good for eating. Okay, so definitely our dal already ready. See, so this is the texture, and also see the texture of dal. This is already ready. Okay, so now you can serve with this bread or like rice, whatever. Okay, so if you like this video, like and share to another also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.